Hello everyone, welcome back to today's video. And today GPSC, that means Gujarat Public Service Commission, has announced some new vacancies for additional assistant engineer, okay, mechanical, civil, electrical, okay. So here this is the number of vacancies. There are 3 vacancies in mechanical, 4 vacancies in civil, 1 vacancy in electrical, okay. So, and there are other also vacancies, also zonal officer, public relation officer, and all that thing. But we are mainly concerned on our assistant engineer, that is our mechanical, okay. So there are 3 vacancies, and this is for Gandhinagar Municipal Corporation, okay. If you are selected, then you have to work in Gandhinagar Municipal Corporation, okay. And the next thing, that is what is the process for this. So what are the basic some education qualification, okay. So there is the one, this is the education qualification, uh, BTech degree, okay, in mechanical or automobile engineer, both we can apply, okay. And from recognized university, and under this act, okay, all this UGC act, or if your university is deemed, then it is also accepted. What is the age limit here? As you can see, 18 to 13.5. This is a pay scale, 44,900 is it is your basic pay, okay. And this is more or less same. One more thing, the similar kind of one post, that is another post, additional assistant mechanical engineer, okay, that is class 3, okay. But in that 2 years of post qualification experience required. So those who have 2 years of post qualification experience, so they can apply that vacancy also, okay. Application fee is 100 rupees, okay. So I have told you the what are the qualification, okay, and what is the age limit. Now next, we go to the uh, exam pattern, okay. So let me take you to the English section, okay. So here, this is the our advertisement number post code, that is advertisement number code 86 to 94. Our 86 is for civil, 87 is for mechanical. So this is the exam pattern. There is a 2 stage, prelim and interview, okay. So in prelim, there is total 300 marks test. Out of that, it is bifurcated in 2 portion. One is general studies and technical, 100 marks general studies and 200 marks technical, okay. And there will be 3 hour paper, okay. So if you want to see what is the paper, how we can expect what is the level of paper, so I have uploaded one paper in a Telegram group, and I have also made one video regarding Gujarat Water Supply and Sewage Board, okay. So in past year 2019 and 18, they have conducted similar kind of exam, and I have the paper of both that exam, and I have uploaded, I think one paper uploaded and one paper is remaining. So that paper I have uploaded, you can see that. And one more thing, that detailed explanation of that paper, which kind of questions are there, okay, the level of questions, that is also I have given in GWSSB, okay, the video that I will make on GWSSB syllabus. And this is the one overview of, okay, this is the overview. And here it is written that the weightage, how much weightage is given, and what is the call ratio for interview. So if that is a one post, then that will be 6 candidates will be called for interview. Here in our case mechanical, there are 3 posts, so total 10 candidates will be called for interview, okay. This is the in clause 1, they have given the how much the weightage, okay, for prelim, and how much weightage of the prelim as well as interview, okay. The syllabus for this post you can find from GPSC official website or GPSC OJS website, but here I have already opened for you. So till now, that is no any syllabus uploaded, I think it is uploading, okay, it is in process, because I have seen here in both the cases, okay. So there is no syllabus here mentioned over here, okay. If the syllabus is uploaded, because I think it is in process, uploading in process, if it is uploaded, then it will be in first 3 or 4 column, okay. So till now, this is the something new news, that is some new vacancies are there. I know that is vacancies are less, but if you are interested, then you can apply. Okay, so, and some of you might have doubt whether it is a Gujarati is compulsory or not. So we will see after the detailed syllabus they will publish. Okay, whether they will consider in 100 marks. Okay, I think they will be considered in 100 marks. Okay, they will include Gujarati. The if you want to see the how the paper model paper, then just go to my channel, and in video section you will find GWSSB syllabus, detailed syllabus analysis. So you will find there, and previous year paper I have also solved, so you can go and watch there. So this is all for today's video. As soon as the new they will upload the syllabus on this GPSC website, I will make another video on syllabus. Okay, so thank you for watching this video, and for that syllabus and any other updates, subscribe this channel and share with your friends also. Thank you.